Imagine a world where robots work tirelessly in massive warehouses, picking, packing, and shipping products at lightning speed. A world where artificial intelligence controls every movement, reducing errors and boosting efficiency beyond human capabilities. Well, that world is not a sci-fi dream anymore, it's happening right now. And one company is leading this revolution, Symbotic SYM. But here's the real question: can you make money from this AI-driven warehouse boom? Is Symbotic SYM the ultimate stock to invest in? Or is there something hidden beneath the surface that investors need to know? Let's dive deep into the rise of AI-powered warehouses and whether Symbotic is the golden ticket for investors. The rise of AI in warehouses. Warehouses are the backbone of e-commerce and global supply chains. But traditional warehouses come with massive challenges: human errors, slow processing, and high operational costs. That's where AI-powered warehouses like those operated by Symbotic come into play. Symbotic uses advanced robotics, AI, and machine vision to automate the entire supply chain. These robots can sort and move products 10 times faster than human workers. The result: faster deliveries, lower costs, and higher profits for businesses. Now, here's a shocking fact: a single AI-powered warehouse can replace thousands of human workers. Imagine the impact on jobs, the economy, and how businesses will operate in the future. Do you think AI will completely replace human workers? Let us know in the comments. Symbotic SYM, the AI revolution in stock market. So, how does Symbotic fit into all this? Well, this company is not just another AI startup, it's a game changer in warehouse automation. Big names like Walmart, Target, and Albertsons are already using Symbotic's technology to improve their supply chains. And here's where it gets interesting: Symbotic's stock, SYM, has skyrocketed over the past year. Investors are rushing in, betting on AI-powered logistics as the future. But is it really the best stock to invest in right now? Is Symbotic SYM a good investment? Let's break it down. Revenue growth. Symbotic has been growing at an impressive rate, with billions in contract value from big retailers. Market demand. AI-powered warehouses are the future, and businesses are adopting them rapidly. Competitive edge. Unlike other automation companies, Symbotic focuses on full warehouse automation, not just robotics. But before you rush to buy Symbotic stock, here's something unexpected: despite its success, Symbotic is not yet profitable. The company is still reinvesting heavily in growth and expansion. So, the big question is, should you invest in a company that is growing fast but still losing money? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Risks and challenges of investing in Symbotic. Before investing, it's important to understand the risks. High competition. Amazon, Tesla, and other tech giants are also developing AI-powered logistics solutions. Market volatility. AI stocks can be extremely volatile, with prices fluctuating based on news and investor sentiment. Long-term profitability. Symbotic must prove it can turn its technology into sustained profits over time. So, the final verdict: is Symbotic the best AI stock to invest in? It has massive potential, but like all AI stocks, it carries risks. If you're an investor who believes in the future of AI-driven logistics, then SYM could be a long-term winner. But if you prefer safer investments, you might want to wait for the company to prove its profitability. What do you think? Will AI-powered warehouses take over the world? And is Symbotic a stock you would invest in? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Final thoughts and call to action. AI is changing the world faster than we ever imagined, and Symbotic is at the heart of this revolution. If you enjoyed this deep dive into AI-powered warehouses, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more insights on the future of technology and investing. And remember, the stock market rewards those who stay informed. Stay smart, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video. Like, comment, and share this video if you found it interesting.